All right, that remains our top focus story. We continue getting you updates from Manipur on what will happen next. But for now, let's shift our attention now to the national capital. After the decisive mandate in Delhi, the next big task for the BJP is to find a suitable candidate to take over the reins of its government in Delhi and be a befitting replacement for Arvind Kejriwal. There are several factors that will play a crucial role in the final pick, and intense consultations are currently being carried out in the BJP. First up, let's tell you what sources are telling Times Now about the strategy ahead. Scoop from within the BJP camp. BJP leaders, including all the newly elected MLAs as well as all 7 MPs, are all set to meet the LG. Virendra Sachdeva has sought time from the LG for this meeting, and the BJP in action mode after the victory. They will be discussing the roadmap for the development of Delhi with the LG. My colleague Mohit Bhatt on the broadcast with us with the details. Mohit, the BJP is yet to decide on the CM candidate. The discussions are going on in one hand, but all the newly elected MLAs and the MPs have sought time from the LG. What's expected in this meeting?
Well, yes, you see, BJP is in action mode, as you rightly pointed out. Now, the BJP want to give out a message that they fought these elections on premise of that how the civic facilities in Delhi have completely failed. There is a complete collapse of the government in Delhi, and perhaps that is why BJP is not wasting any time, and they have sought time from the Delhi LG. Now, yesterday, Virendra Sachdeva, Delhi BJP president, wrote a letter to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi seeking his time to meet all the newly elected MLAs and the MPs. What the sources say that in this particular meeting, the roadmap for Viksit Bharat, the roadmap for developed Delhi will be discussed. Now, we know for a fact that how the expectations are high from the BJP, given the fact they have come on the premise of attacking the Aam Aadmi Party government, saying that they have not done anything in Delhi for past 10 years. Now, the questions will be asked from the BJP, what exactly is their plan? What exactly is the roadmap? What exactly is their vision for Delhi? And perhaps that is why a message is being given by the BJP that they have sought time from the LG. Now, we have to wait and watch whether the time will be given today or tomorrow. And in this particular meeting, the roadmap for Viksit Bharat and what exactly the vision of BJP is for Delhi will be discussed. So it comes at a time when the victory has come just 2 days before the CM, the deliberations, the permutations and combinations are being made on the CM phase. But yes, the BJP wants to show that they came on the premise of that Aam Aadmi Party has failed to deliver to the people in Delhi, and that is why they have started their work. They are meeting LG, and a vision, a roadmap will come after this particular meeting for Delhi. Back to in studio.
Okay, all right, because one of the biggest planks for the BJP during the elections had been development. So the BJP wanting to give out a message that we are already starting on the development agenda. All the newly elected MLAs as well as the MPs will be meeting the LG, and it will be a double-engine Sarkar in the national capital. In fact, at the same time, there are also discussions taking place on who will be the chief minister in Delhi. Those deliberations are also continuing in the BJP camp, and sources saying that oath-taking will take place after the Prime Minister returns. Times Now also spoke to one of the probables, Rekha Gupta, and here's what she had to say.
देखो, हमारी पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश की सबसे बड़ी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, और दिल्ली में खासकर हमारे पास में इतने अच्छे अच्छे नाम है, सीनियर नाम है, जिनको पूरा एक्सपीरियंस है, जिनको पार्टी जिनके कंधे पे दिल्ली का वजन डाल सकते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे तो सीनियर बहुत लोग हैं लाइन में, और उनको मौका मिलना चाहिए, ताकि दिल्ली का डेवलपमेंट ही हमारा एकमात्र लक्ष्य है.
All right, so speculations continue on who the chief minister could be in Delhi, but at the same time, the BJP delegation is also to meet the LG with a development plan. There are probables that are being discussed, but no name being officially given by the BJP. Inside Scoop, only on Times Now first. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.